Step inside a Greenwich Village townhouse where bold color, vintage charm, and modern design collide. From a Sputnik chandelier to mosaic ceilings and op art floors, every room tells a vibrant, one-of-a-kind story. Gambrel's design aesthetic is known for its ability to create spaces that are rooted in historical styles while incorporating contemporary touches and a bold use of color. The entry hall sets a beguiling mood with a glittering 1960s Sputnik chandelier, while a mosaic-tiled arched ceiling in the kitchen lends an old-world feel. The breakfast room, for instance, features zippy-up, art-inspired oak flooring and a rare Fontaine Arte chandelier, demonstrating his willingness to use vibrant and unexpected palettes to bring a space to life. In the dining room, a Verre-eglamized ceiling casts kaleidoscopic reflections on the rosewood tables with gold lacquered tops, surrounded by turquoise upholstered chairs, creating a dazzling effect. The kitchen itself is a tour de force, featuring gray-lacquered cabinetry with brass and bronze accents, a La Cornue range, and a trio of American Art Deco pendants. The living room is a serene composition of blues and platinum grays, providing a calm counterpoint to the more vivacious dining room. Throughout the house, Gambrel's approach involves a curated blend of custom-made furnishings and high-quality antiques. For example, in the game room, floor-to-ceiling arches filled with eglamized mirror are surrounded by gold and silver metallic wall panels, and the space is furnished with custom Turkish-style sofas and vintage scroll-arm chairs. bedroom features ultra-refined modern pieces by noted designers against a backdrop of hand-painted wallpaper. The project also highlights Gambrel's confident use of color, which is a hallmark of his style. The sprawling 22,000 square foot townhouse is one of his largest residential commissions. It was designed to channel the history and spirit of the area's 20th century heyday while being a thoroughly modern and bespoke residence. Instead of a pristine, polished look, Gambrel intentionally sought to introduce more patina and surface texture to achieve a unique downtown feel. The home is a showcase of dramatic and thoughtful design choices, with each room offering a distinct personality.